So here's the difference between a show car and a driver car and just a get around vehicle. Normally on a show car, obviously we would replace that whole floor, do it 100% correct, make it look really nice. On a driver, this is what we would do, is we just cut that piece of metal out. Here, I'll show you the piece. Cut that piece of metal out because it's kind of rotted. But we're still gonna, again, we're gonna do that patch right, as right as it can be. We're gonna butt weld it in so there's no jagged edges sticking out underneath to where you got to seam seal it and water and dirt get stuck in there. So we'll end up doing that patch right. But that's a driver. I mean, you could even just tack it in there and seam seal it and undercoat the underneath for a driver, but we're gonna do it right and weld it up solid and grind it and make it look pretty. So you can either have it done show car quality by replacing the whole floor, which is what we are going to do eventually, but we're just need to get it through inspection and everything, but we're still going to do it right. So, and that's just a quick driver fix there. I wouldn't recommend it if you're going to be spending a ton of money on a vehicle, but as you can tell, even though it shined up really nice, we're not doing anything to this vehicle that we don't have to. The only thing we'll probably do is replace that because it just doesn't open, and we'll probably just prime it and throw some black paint on it. We did fix a hole over here. There was a really bad patch in there, so we cut that out and put a new one in. There was already body work started here, so we just kind of roughly finished it. We're not even going to make it perfect so it matches the rest of the vehicle. We are going to throw a little bit of black paint on there, but that's basically that, because we'll probably end up replacing that bedside at some point. But that's a driver. To me, this is a driver. It looks pretty good. Nowhere near as perfect. It's not even a 50-foot car. It's just a patinaed 65 Chevelle, or Elcamino, sorry. But it's all there, it runs, so we're just going to get it running and driving and registered and haul stuff.